Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily make your Twitter or X account private. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the X application on your phone and then tap on your profile on the top left corner. Now you'll have to tap on settings and support and then tap on settings and privacy. Now you'll have to tap on privacy and safety. And once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on audience and tagging. Now all you'll have to do is to toggle on protect your posts, and what it will do, it will only show your posts to people who you follow you, and um, it will not show your posts publicly. So you have successfully made your Twitter account private. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.